conclusion, I'm saying we are halting registrations. We've halted registrations. No more registrations on Rax Daily for now. We want to start repaying people. We want to start repaying people from Monday. We would need today, tomorrow, and Friday to start making repayments. But while that is going on, a good news is coming to everybody next week as well. We have great plans. We have good news. We have great plans. We have things that would, enlighten your mood as well. We're not just going to give you bad news and just disappear. So we have great plans. We have things that would enlighten your mood as well next week. I don't want to tell you that the good news is coming on Monday. I don't want to tell you it's coming on Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. But good news is coming next week. That's different from the fact that from Monday we will start dispensing capital back to people. But yes, like I told you, we have great plans. We have good news coming your way on Monday as well. So they won't distract each other. It wouldn't interrupt each other. Payments will be going on smoothly, and then new news and fresh news would equally arrive your way next week. But before I leave this live video, I want to plead with you. I want to beg you to, even though you're furious, you invested your school fees, you invested your house rent, do not forget that prior to now you've invested your house rent before and you got paid and you looked for more money and added and reinvested even more. So do not forget all of that. Be calm, manage yourself as much as you can. I've been where you are now. I know what it means to not have anything, but this time around it's different because in my own case I wasn't expecting nothing. I wasn't sure if I was being boboed or stuff, but here you have a reputable brand that is telling you that look, you're going to smile at the end of the day. So it's all about how you manage the crisis, manage yourself, put yourself together. Yes, friends would laugh at you. I told you this was going to happen and now it has happened. Put yourself together. You're going to smile again at the end of the day. I and my team would do everything within our powers to get things afloat once again. As it stands, the Rax Daily brand has asked each and every one of its staff to work from home, pending when we are able to put everything together this weekend and start dispensing of funds on Monday. But even though I'm being pushed to give you the good news, I want to hold myself together and wait till next week, at least for us to start dispensing funds first to help reassure people and give people the confidence once again before we pitch our new dream to you. Thanks once again for coming to the live video. Please, I beg of you, I'm really sorry. I apologize for this inconvenience.